Ever wondered how to create HTML elements dynamically in JavaScript? Well, it's a powerful feature that can be used to build and manipulate the structure of a web page programmatically. Let's dive into the process. First things first, you need to create an element. This is achieved using the document.createElement method. This method allows you to specify the tag name of the element you want to create. For instance, if you want to create a new div, you would write something like this: var newDiv =document.createElement div. Now that the element is created, it's time to set its properties. You can set attributes, styles, and other properties of the newly created element. For example, you can assign an ID to your new div and set its text content like so: newDiv.id =newDivId. newDiv.textContent =this is a new div. Great! Now you have a new div with an ID and some text content, but it's still not visible on your web page. Why? Because you need to append it to an existing element in the document. Let's say you have a container in your HTML where you want to add this new div. You would do something like this: var container =document .getElementById container append-child new div. And voila! Your new div is now part of the DOM and visible on your web page. Let's put all these steps together into a single code snippet. / create a new div element. var newDiv =document.createElement div. / set properties of the new div newDiv.id =newDivId. newDiv.textContent this is a new div. newDiv.style background color light blue. / append the new div to an existing element in the document. var container =document .getElementById container append-child new div. This code creates a new div element, sets its ID, text content, and background color, and then appends it to an existing element with the ID container in the document. And that's it. You've just learned how to create HTML elements dynamically in JavaScript. The same process can be used to create other types of elements like span, p, img, and so on. Customize them as needed and append them to the document or other elements in the DOM. This gives you a great deal of flexibility and control over your web page structure and content. Remember, JavaScript's power lies in its ability to manipulate the DOM dynamically and interactively. Keep experimenting, keep coding, and you'll uncover even more ways to make your web pages dynamic and interactive.